Future POS allows you to have messages pop up in your system to alert employees of important information. This replaces leaving a piece of paper around the store hoping that your employee sees it. If an employee clocks in, you will know that they saw your message. This eliminates an employee saying that they never saw your message. Here we have an example of a bartender signing in. As you can see, it tells them that they have recently added White Claws, what the price is, what type of varieties they're carrying, as well as where the item is located. Now the bartender knows everything they need to know about the new product and where it's located. This helps cut down on employees not knowing where an item is and just ringing up a random item instead of what was supposed to be rung in. This is yet another way that Future POS helps put money back in your pocket.